Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Sindh University's e-portal account. Let's get started. So to log into your Sindh University's e-portal account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Sindh University Login e-portal. So after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says Login ITSE PD University of Sindh. After tapping on that option, you'll come up to this website, and in the left side of your screen you can find these two options which is roll number and password. So you just have to enter your roll number and then enter your password. So after entering your account's roll number and password, now what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password you can easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So after creating a new password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created, then tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Sindh University's e-portal account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.